October 20th, mints go silent, silver stacking is a thing of the past. In just days, the silver world will hit a wall. Prices are already at record highs, and what happens that Monday could send shockwaves through the entire market. Check this out. If you're interested in silver, click that link in the description. Money Metals is holding this contest. They're giving away 20 silver eagles. Every month they hold this contest. Last month's winner was Brett from California. Click that link I put down below. Be the next winner on that list. Take home that silver. Now, look at this. Silver hovering at $50 an ounce has everyone on their toes and staring at this spot price. But this price is a symptom of something deeper. Mining output hasn't kept up with booming industrial demand. Silver is essential for solar, EVs, medical tech, AI, all of these exploding industries. And the world is using more silver than it's producing. It's creating a supply deficit, roughly 200 million ounces of a deficit. That's just this year. We've got major banks clearly noticing this, changing their forecast. HSBC is changing its forecast. Probably as we speak, they're changing again. All of these banks are staring at metals now. And this is the setup we have for our silver price, because a market stretched this thin. Really look at any industry where you have such demand for a product and only a small amount of that product. It can't last. It only takes one spark to flip from tight to empty. So here's why October 20th matters. That's when the next round of U.S. leading economic indicators is released. It's one of the few major reports still expected to release despite the government shutdown. And if that data comes in weak, it could signal a slowing economy and practically guarantee that the Fed, which meets October 28th, guarantee they'll move toward rate cuts. Lower interest rates mean weaker dollars, and that sends silver prices soaring. Now, suddenly, investors see both a Fed shift and this physical shortage that really we've had for years. This is our 5th year running, but it all comes to play right before our eyes. That could trigger a full-blown scramble, and the system could really shift overnight. October 20th, this could be the spark day when data, when demand, when depletion collide. And once the presses stop, they're not easy to start. If the mints pause or scale back, it'll hit instantly. Silver eagles, maple leafs, kangaroos, premiums could double within days. Look at how expensive the premiums were for eagles just 2 years ago, 2.5 years ago, 3 years ago. We were looking at, almost $15 over spot for eagles. This is not out of our reach. We've lived through this. We recently lived through this. That was 2020. And not only 2020, 2021. That lasted a long time. That those eagles, the premiums were 40, 50%. It was just incredible. But this time, the stakes are higher because we're already sitting at record prices. If October 20th's data spooks investors or confirms recession risks, silver could lurch. We could be easily running up to $55, $60 an ounce. And the people left without metal, they'll be turning to ETFs. They'll be turning to the paper silver. October 20th, that's the date the markets are watching. The next economic report, the next Fed signal, the next mint update, all within a 10-day window. Get your own silver. Click that link in the description. Thank you, Money Metals Exchange, for sponsoring this challenge. It's a great contest. Every month they're giving away 20 silver eagles, 20 eagles. Click that link. Be the next winner on that list. Take home that silver. And I'll see you on the next one.